Hi guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a chrome in PRO100 software. So sometimes we need to make some chrome and for some items, for handles, for bars and everything else. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a chrome or semi-chrome, semi-matte. Before we start, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up and let's get started. So let's open PRO100 software, and right now I just put a simple sphere. I put some chrome, even the material call it like a chrome, but once I make a render, and right now we can see that nothing has changed, yeah? It's just almost the same. So it means we need to set something else. By the way, make sure that you put light on, reflection also on, anti-aliasing, it doesn't matter. If you want, you can make it. Also, light settings, you can leave sets like this: reflection, ambient occlusion, normal maps, glow, and yeah, just like this. So right now we need to set on material some properties. So for us, more important is glossiness and reflectivity. Glossiness we can put like 19 and reflection, reflection 90 and glossiness like 30. And specular we can put 90 or we can put even 100, apply, and we will see how does it affect it. So specular, I think we can reduce a little bit specular. Specular proportion, I think we can put also 70. Yeah, something like this. Go to tools and make a render by the plugin Gray. Here you can also copy these settings and let's click render. And right now, as you can see, it's getting some reflection, some glossiness. That's what we set on this material. And let's see final result. And you can see like a semi-matte gloss, semi-chrome. So you can play always with these settings on material. So let's say I want to put glossiness 90 and reflection like 20, like this. Specular 100, yeah, something like this. And tools, Gray, and right now we can see it's our sphere getting more reflection, and it looks like already chrome, some kind of chrome or semi-chrome, yeah. So it depends of the settings, so whatever you set on this material, it might be affected and make that reflection what you've been looking for. Here it is, and we can see the difference, yeah? Here is like semi-matte, here is like almost chrome. I mean, we can say it's like chrome, yeah? Because even my example, it's like chrome. So I hope you enjoy, guys, with this video. Please subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.